Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to bring you my Amazon success story. So we're going a couple months back here. This was earlier this year, and I'm going to show you the exact numbers of how I launched a product with $1,300 as my first investment order. So people are saying you can't launch a product with $1,000, $1,500, $1,200. Yes, you can. I could have launched this product with even less money than $1,300. If I ordered 250 units instead of 300, I would have spent under $1,000 to launch this product. So let's get right into the numbers here. So here we are. This is the exact numbers of the product, my first product here. So check this out, guys. Day one, right? May 1st, product gets in, goes active. I'm not even running PPC. 13 units. $324. Are you kidding me? First day. But you're supposed to sell like a couple your first day, okay? That was ridiculous. Second day, 14 units. The first day I made $200 in profit. This day I made $215 in profit. May 4th I did 10, slower day. I forget what day of the week that was. And then, oh, actually, you know what? These 2 days, these 3 days right here, all of my inventory was in fulfillment center transfer. So when you clicked on my listing, it said not available right now. So that killed my conversion rating. So then we're going in, back in stock, 26 units. I was like flipping out this day. I think I made like almost $400, 18 units, 10. So we could see the trend here. The units are soaring. The amount of money I'm making is going up. I successfully launched the product, and within, how long was I selling this? May. So in 3 months, in 21 days, I did $39,139 in sales in just over 3 months. So that is awesome. I'm so glad I had an opportunity to like know what it was like to launch a product with this little amount of money and have it do this well. It was like, I just felt incredible. I don't know. It's like you launch this business and you're like weary of doing this, and you use $1,300, which is like a huge amount of money to me at the time. It was literally like most of what I had in my bank account. I was 18 working a part-time job. I'm 19 now, but yeah, I was 18 years old. Like that was like all the money in the world to me. So I was like, oh my God. And then over the next 3 months, I made over $20,000 in profit. It was insane. So that was a lot of money to me at that time. It still is a lot of money to anyone, honestly. Doing numbers like $300 to $500 in profit every single day at any age is awesome. Never mind just being 18 and like experiencing that. So let's go over the numbers of my product, and I'll actually show you exactly what it is. So this was my main keywords right here. I was ranked in spot number 1 for mobile game controller. Let's actually look now and like see what happened. So I'll tell you exactly why I got out of the market, but let's like see how it's going. Knowing what I know now, actually, I would have stayed in this market, I think, to be completely honest, because I was not very smart. I got out because I thought I was like the kingpin of Amazon FBA, and literally my next product did not do good, and I'm in the middle of launching others now, which are going to be doing a lot better than, but I'm going to do this in like a 2-part video. So this is my success story, and then my next product like literally like almost bankrupt my business. Like it was so bad. I put so much money into it and like lost all the money I put into my product. So which I'm not complaining, trust me. I would not trade it for a good product. I would have rather had the bad product because I learned so much from that bad product. It's amazing. So thank you, bad product. I know way more from that product than I do from this one. Let me put it that way. A majority, got a notification, sorry about that. A majority of what I learned is that you need to grind away at product research and make that your priority. So like slay product research. Spend weeks doing product research every day and make a list of 10 products that are awesome, and then narrow it down between those top 10 to find the top 3 that are awesome, and then launch the best one. Like that's how important product research is, because I basically did nothing for 3 months here, 18 years old, going to the Caribbean, eating out at nice restaurants, looking at sports cars. And I made so much money. Oh my God. Hundreds of dollars a day into my wallet. Literally. Like thousands of dollars a week. My next product, I thought all I had to do was spend an hour on product research and launch a product, and it would do as good as this one. I was like hypnotized from this. I was like, if you pick any Amazon product and launch it, it's going to do this well as long as it has pretty much this basic criteria. No, there's more to it. You got to differentiate. You got to make your product an actual high quality product. So if I could go back in time, what would I do so that you could learn from my mistakes? I know that this is the success story, but I also kind of want you guys that are watching this video to hear this in case you don't watch the failure video. I would have stayed in, because was I still making money every day, even though my price was lower than when it started significantly? Yes, around $50 a day. And I don't know what my mindset was. I don't know what was going on in my mental, but it was not good because I should have kept that income. I don't know why, like what I wanted to do instead of, because my plan was like, I had to reorder for this, right? And at this point I'm making like $1,500 a month from it. Not nearly as much as I was doing in the beginning, because what happened was competition came in. I got like other people selling on my listing, just a bunch of external factors that made me have to drive my price down. And I was like, some days like so low in price that I couldn't even profit. Like I'd profit like $20 in a day or something, which now looking at it, you're still profiting, dude. Like, what are you doing? But my train of thought at the time was, screw this product. I'm going to launch another one that does 20K a month. You know what I'm saying? So like, I was just like, I'm going to take the money from this, order 1,000 units of something else, and I'll be set, right? No, false. So realistically, I would still be right here because I was selling even more than him, even when I stopped selling. I would have probably over 100 reviews by now because it's been several months since I stopped selling this. I had 50 something when I stopped. And even if I was making $2 to $3 grand a month, dude, that's $2 to $3 grand a month. Why did you kill that source? I don't know. But I learned from it. So I'm 19. I got a long way to go with this business. So I'll take it as a cheap lesson. I'm going to end it here, guys. That was my story. So I showed you my numbers here, went over what the product was. My price, just to give you a breakdown really quick, this product, I got it for $4.42 from my supplier, and I listed it at $24.99 when I started. In the market, when I came into it, why it was so successful was because people were only selling, I can't even find it now because I freaking dominated the competition. No one does this anymore. But see the triggers that come with this? Where is it? So like the top part, let's click on it so you can actually see what I'm talking about. These right here, people were just selling those, just the triggers. And yeah, they were just selling the triggers and no one was even selling these two together. So I was the first person in this market to sell both of these together, and my controller was actually better than this one. This is like a flimsy plastic clip-on one. Mine was like a whole piece that snapped onto your phone that was like already built. And yeah, it looks like they have a newer version of the triggers. Mine were all black. But yeah, that was the product, and my differentiation was I was the first one to bundle this controller set together. So what are you gonna buy, just the triggers or the whole controller? That's why everyone bought my listing and I made so much money. So I learned that. I wish I would have kept selling it because like the prices are like literally back up. Like if I was selling at $16.99, I would have been making like $7.50 profit every single unit, which would have been great. I should have just kept selling it, like I'm saying. So, but like you learn all these valuable lessons. So I'm not like discouraged by any way. It was an awesome product, awesome first pick that I made a ton of money from and got a lot of experience from selling. So that was my success story. It was my first product, and I launched with $1,300, and I turned $1,300 into almost $40,000 in revenue, and that was in less than 4 months. So huge success on my part. So happy that this went so well. I learned a lot from this, but I learned even more from the failure video, which you guys can find on my channel. So subscribe. I'm doing daily videos, trying to do daily videos at least. If not, it's every other day. I haven't missed a video every other day in weeks. So yeah, come over. I don't have a course or anything. Everything I do is going to be right on this YouTube channel. So I'm just trying to be the person that I wish I had to watch when I was starting FBA, because everyone that I watched wanted to sell me something. They wouldn't just give me the information. But I make enough money doing this and other businesses and selling other things and working that I don't need to charge you guys to learn this. I just want to get more people financially free and yeah, build a big community. So go ahead and subscribe for more videos, hit the notification button, and like this one if you got any value from it. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video.